Well, hey guys, this is WAS13, and I'll tell you right now, it is cold as hell out here. Freezing. It's got to be in the minuses. So I'm out here freezing my balls off to show you guys this chainsaw. It's a 40-volt lithium battery, brushless little chainsaw here. I mean, this thing is actually pretty cool. I believe it comes with a battery, it comes with the charger, it comes with this, and a guard that goes right on the chain here so you don't cut yourself. There's pretty much zero maintenance on this. 14-inch blade on it. How you doing? Picked it up over at Harbor Freight. It's actually kind of cool. You got your little oil gauge right here for your bar to see if you need oil for the bar at all. The battery goes back here. Very quiet. It's a battery, so there's zero emissions. And today I'm gonna pretty much demonstrate how to cut a log. I mean, really, in this cold. So I have this log set up right here so we can cut right through it. I am actually gonna have my brother assist me with this, the curious consumer. The log, I would say in diameter, is probably a good maybe 10 inches. How you doing? 10-inch thick log. And we're gonna see if this will cut right through it. I mean, it is an electric chainsaw. I know people have a lot of questions. We'll see if this thing will cut right through it and see how hard it is. So, well, let's get started. Get this off of here.
You need oil or no?
You know what I'll do is I'll cut right here so it doesn't pinch the blade if I cut right here in the middle. So let me get in a better position, I guess, to say I'm actually right-handed. So we're gonna try this left-handed. Just shut up. All right, here we go. Cut right through it like butter. You know? I'll bet you I actually like this thing. Cuts right through. I mean, look at this. Right through. No problems whatsoever. Awesome. There's my brother give me another log. How you doing? Let's try this. All right. Awesome. So we'll try a little one now. This thing's actually really cool. I'm gonna have a lot of fun with this. Yeah, baby. Boom! This is fantastic. This thing costs this much. Over at the Harbor Freight, they have a whole selection of these type Lynxx models. I mean, you got let's say you got a leaf blower, you got one of those extended chainsaws that you could reach up and get trays, weed whacker, and you got a hedge trimmer. And each one of those come with a battery and a charger, which I think is really cool. Extra batteries only cost about $59. Well, I'm freezing, and I got a little something going on right here that I'm gonna have to go take care of. So that's WAS13. I hope you'll please subscribe and like this video. That would be great. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.